Hi, you guys. Okay, today I'm going to talk about mixed numbers. Okay, so you've actually seen mixed numbers before in math, but I'm going to go over a really fast lesson and I'm going to remind you what mixed numbers are. Okay, mixed numbers is not when you go and you get a bunch of numbers and you throw them into your blender and you decide to whip it up and make it into a mixed number shake or smoothie. No, that would be mixed numbers, yes, but those are not the mixed numbers that we're talking about. Okay, so I am going to talk about pizza again because I have pizzas floating around above my head, and they used to be part of a whole pizza, but now they're just slices floating around my head. So let's talk about pizza. Here it is. Those pizzas floating around my head used to be part of a pizza. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. It just turned into a perfect circle. Now, near my house, there's a really yummy pizza place called Porky's, okay? And I get pizza there all the time. Izzy and Zoe love pepperoni, all right? And usually when we order pizza, we want one whole pizza. I mean, wouldn't it be weird to go and think about ordering something that's not a whole pizza? Oh, I just scribbled. Okay, one whole pizza. Here we go, better. I don't know why I just scribbled. Okay, here's one whole pizza pie. Okay, they call those pies. It's really weird, right? Pizza pie. When you call pizzas, they're actually called pizza pie. One whole pizza pie. I'm going to order that for us to eat. Okay, now let's say I had some friends over and, we actually don't have to stay at home anymore and I can invite more people to my house. Okay, so I am going to go ahead. This is one whole one. I'm going to go ahead and draw another one because now I have more people coming over. Oh, so now I have another hole. Okay. So how many whole pizzas do I have? How many whole pizzas? I have 2, right? 2 whole pizzas. Yummy. Lots of pizza for me. Okay, yummy. 2 whole pizzas. Now, let's say I had friends that are at my house, right? And they decided that, you know what? They're going to eat some of my pizza. Okay, so I'm going to take my pizza and I am going to take that away, and I'm going to cut it into slices. Oops, didn't change my pen. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take my whole pizza, and I'm going to cut the second pizza into 4 pieces, all right? So now I still have one whole pizza, but I decided to give Zoe a piece, okay? She's gonna eat this piece. She's gonna eat this piece. Eat this whole piece. Coloring it in. I wonder if I can make it disappear. I'm gonna eat, yep. Oh, I can make that disappear. I don't want that to happen. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave that there, okay? So let's say she ate that one piece over here, okay? She's eating this piece. Oh, yay, I did it. I could do it. Yay, this one's gone. Well, it's not working. I don't like that. Okay, let's say she ate this whole piece. All right, it's gone. It's in her belly. No more. Okay, how many do I have left here? I have 1, 2, 3, right? She ate that one. So instead of having 4 pieces here, sliced up into 4, I have 1, 2, 3 left. What's the fraction of this part, the second pizza? Okay, what's the fraction? If she ate one of the slices, is it 3/4? Is that correct? This part's gone. We have to pretend. But we still have one whole pizza, right? 1. So our mixed number is going to be 1 whole pizza, right? It's still there. And 3/4. 1 and 3/4. Because if Zoe ate one slice of the pizza, she didn't eat the other one. She only ate one slice of the second pizza here, right? So I have one whole pizza left, and then I have 3/4 of the second pizza, okay? Does that make sense? One whole pizza, and then 3/4 of the second one. Okay, we have to pretend this one's gone. Use your imagination. It's been eaten in Sparkle Land, okay? It's gone. So that is a mixed number. Now I can also do, I can make my board even bigger. Yay, let's do it again, okay? So let's say I had a pizza right here, right? And let's see, why is it doing that? I have another pizza here, 2 pizzas. Then I have another pizza here. So how many whole pizzas do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, right? I have 3. Now let's say that I decide to cut one into 6 pieces, or let's see, how many is that? 8 pieces, okay? 1, 2, 3 whole ones, and then I sliced up the third pizza into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces, right? So let's say I decide to give 2 of my friends some pizza. Okay, this one's gone. I'm gonna do this one's gone too. Okay, so they ate 2 slices. Maybe they're still hungry. Let's eat another slice. Eat another slice of pizza. Okay, so how many slices are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slices of pizza are left, right? But there were, how many? There were actually 8, right? So I have 1 whole pie here. I have 2 whole. This is the second one. That's the second one, right? So I have 2, my mixed number here for these pizzas will be 2 whole ones, and then my fraction is going to be 5/1. We used to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? 2 and 5/8 before 3 of my friends ate those 3 slices, okay? So yes, we are talking about pizza, but we can use it in so many things, right? Yeah. I don't know, I keep thinking about pizza today. I might have to order some. All right, so that is our mixed number. The big number here is the whole number. It's completely whole. And then the fraction, right, it's not complete. So it can't be a whole number. All right, let's go back and do our worksheet. Okay, our lesson worksheet. Here we go. Okay, we're going to write a mixed number to show the value of pattern blocks in each problem. So you won't have your pattern blocks in front of you, but you can do this with me because we know what the pattern blocks look like in our head because we play with them in class, right? So here's a hexagon. Each hexagon, this part means it's whole, 1 whole hexagon. Now, this one, we need to write the mixed number to show 1 whole hexagon, and this one is not a whole hexagon, right? This is only, we have to pretend, it's not really there. We have to use our imagination. This is only 1/2 of a whole hexagon, right? So 1 whole piece, and then I have 1/2 of a hexagon here. My next mixed number will be 1 1/2, okay? Number 2, so we have to write a mixed number for these shapes here. So I have 1 whole hexagon, and I have another whole hexagon. That's my second one. But instead of thinking about these triangles, how many triangles do you think it could fit inside one of these hexagons? So we're going to draw it out and see, because we don't have our tiles, but we can pretend our triangles are in front of us, right? And we can draw and pretend that they are there. Okay, so if you had your little triangles, you would know there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, pretend there's actually 6 here, right? 6 of them fit inside one yellow hexagon, but I only have one right here. 1, 6, right? So I have 2 whole pieces and then 1 6. When we get back into class, we're going to do this one again. So we will play with our mixed numbers, okay? And we will actually use our shapes. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3. Our mixed number for here. I have one whole hexagon still. Now this one, this is our blue shapes, right? Our diamond shapes in our in class, we would see a blue one. I'm going to do my best to draw that blue one here. So 3 blue diamond shapes would fit inside our yellow hexagon, right? 1, 2, 3. But I only have 2 here. So these 2 pieces is actually 2 thirds, right? So my mixed number is going to be 1 and 2 thirds. Okay? My marker is really, really big. Okay, number 4. We're going to trace pattern blocks to show these mixed numbers. So we can't trace because we don't have them, but we can do our best to draw our shapes. So it's 1 and 1/3. That means the big one, that means I'm going to have one full hexagon. So do your best to draw your full hexagon. Okay. Oh, great job. And then I'm going to draw 1/3. Which one is a third here? Okay. 3 of these blue diamonds make up one of these hexagon shapes, right? So I'm going to kind of draw, I don't have them in front of me, but I know that I only need one, right? So I'm going to draw this. Okay, so there's only one. I actually would need 3 of them, but this is my 1/3. Now show 2 and 3 6 on the back of this paper. If you have room, I'm just gonna do it right here, and then it's probably gonna fall out of my paper. I'm gonna draw 2 whole hexagon shapes. It's 2 and 3 6. Okay, and then so I'm gonna draw 2 of them. Okay. Now, 3 6. How do I show 3 6? Okay. Which of the shapes in our paper had 6 of them? It's going to be those diamonds right there, right? Or sorry, the triangles, the little triangles. I'm going to use that. That was one of the shapes that had 6 of them to make one whole hexagon, right? The little triangles. So I'm going to draw how many triangles? I'm going to draw 1. Okay. 2. 3. Okay, 3 of these, 3 6, because 6 little triangles make up one full hexagon. I know it's really tricky when we don't have the shape blocks or pattern blocks in front of us, but we're going to do our best and try it out. Okay, so make sure you went slowly, and if you needed to, pause the video and then look through the video and make sure your shapes match up to mine. Okay, just do the best that you can. All right, you guys, great job on learning mixed numbers today, and hopefully you've watched the Brain Pop video. Don't forget to log into Brain Pop and watch the mixed number Brain Pop video.